That's good. Salty, sweet. Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, here to celebrate with you the first night of Hanukkah with a super fun, easy craft that you can do with your family. That's yummy to eat. We've been doing this with our classrooms for probably the last 12 years. All right, I'm gonna get started. You're gonna need some pretzel sticks and you're gonna need some marshmallows. And I know that they make marshmallows that are not with gelatin, so you can find the ones that are allergy free. And you're gonna use these giant chocolate chip kind of looking candies. I have brought with us to use the famous tiny spoon that we love, a tiny spoon. Some kind of frosting that you can make yourself. This time I bought some frosting, but I'm just going to show you. It is like the easiest, funnest thing to do, and it's also really delicious. So I'm going to take my marshmallow. I am going to put it onto my, stick it onto my marshmallow, because dreidel is a fun game that you spin, and there's 4 different symbols on it. And I think it's really fun. And now I'm going to scoop a little bit of frosting onto the top. Just going to leave that here while I unwrap my giant chocolate chip. Okay, check it out. I'm going to stick it on, and it surprisingly looks like a dreidel. There you have it.
So fun, huh?
Yeah.
Then you can eat
Fun and delicious. Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Cheers. Bye. Oh, wait.